Hello viewers, welcome to Forex analysis for the week of August 12th to 16, 2019. In this video, we'll quickly talk about the trade setups that we discussed last couple of weeks and about 500 pips of profit made by the traders who followed the forecast given in previous videos. And if you stay with me for another 10 minutes, I will share with you very good trade setups for the coming week. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can continue to get these videos. Here on the screen you can see I've changed the template to MetaTrader 5. I hope you will be able to get some better visuals on your screen. So let's start with the first pair, which is EURUSD. On this one we saw the price went down to 110.25. I was given signal to traders to enter into a buy trade here around 110.50, and last week we closed these with these two green candles here. We said that this is going up all the way to 61.8% retracement. That was our initial target to take the profit, but we also said that if the price stays above this retracement level, then it can exceed to 112.20, and that was our second target for taking the profit. So I hope everybody who entered into a buy trade here around 110.50, they were able to make about 200 pips of profit with this move during the last week. Now congratulations to them. And now what is there for this coming week? We have to analyze that, and by looking at the chart, like I was telling you in the past video, that this is the area around this rectangle that you see. This is the area where the price will not move up quickly, and we have seen every time it has reached to this 50-day moving average, it was pushed downward. So you see all these doji candles, inverted hammer, but on Friday we have seen this green candle here. Although much of the gains were given back, and this is really not a confirmation for a buy or sell. The price is still staying within this rectangle. So for the coming week, what we have to look forward to is basically wait for the confirmation if the price is going to go up or down from here. So we will be looking on Monday or Tuesday. If the price closes above this 50-day moving average, then our target would be to enter into a buy trade, and that will go all the way to here about 113, and that's a target of about 100 pips. So this is if the price closes above this 50-day moving average with solid green candle with the confirmation that now the price is ready to go upward. But if the price closed below this rectangle, which is the bottom is here around 61.8% retracement, previous support, which is 111.75. If the price goes below that, then your target would be initially to 111 with further extension to 110.50 or below. So I'm leaving this here. Currently this is not in a position where we can enter into a buy or sell trade. We have to wait for the confirmation on Monday or Tuesday to decide if the price closes above 50-day moving average, then it's a buy for you. If it closes below this rectangle marked area, then it's a sell trade. Okay, now let's move on to USDCAD. On this pair we said the price was going to go up to 132, 132.50. That was the extension, and we saw that the price closed just right above this 50-day moving average last Friday, and during this week it went up further. So there was more interest in from the buyers to push the price upward, but we have seen that all the gains that were given during the week are given back. Now the price is back to the same level as last Friday and previous Friday, and now it is just closed above this 50-day moving average. So from here I would say on Monday or Tuesday, this is again the area where we want further confirmation. Although these two red candles confirm that the price is now ready to go down, but we have to watch carefully. And if you see the candle on Monday, Tuesday is closing below this 50-day moving average, then it's a sell, and our target is initially to 131 with extension to 130.50. That's a sell trade. But if price stays above this one, the 50-day moving average, then it may rise up further, and it may go up to 133.50 or 134. That's for the USDCAD. Now we are looking at Australian dollar. Here we said that the traders who entered into a sell trade here, they were expected to close their position around 0.68, and they would have made about 200 to 225 pips of profit. And if you close your trade here, this is the area where I was telling you to wait for the confirmation. There was a news expected, and we saw that the price had a lot of volatility here for last few days. It went all the way down to 0.665, and then it bounced back upward. We did see this green candle here, but on Friday we have seen that some profit taking happened, so it went down. I would say your initial profit target, if you have entered into a buy trade around this area, around 0.67 or below, then wait for the 61.8% retracement up to here. This is your initial first profit target. But watch carefully in the coming week. The price may do some consolidation in this area before going up, or it may go down again to this level. And let me put this support here. So if price goes below this level, the orange line, then close your trades, because it may go further down to 0.66. But if it bounces from this level, then that is your entry point, and then you can wait for this 61.8% to take your profits. Now we're looking at New Zealand dollar. On this pair as well, I was telling traders to be careful about the news that was expected to come out of the New Zealand bank, and we closed the previous week around here. We said this is not a confirmation to buy. We have to wait for a few more candles, and next 2 days we have seen this a doji candle and then this huge inverted hammer, and that was the signal that the price is going to go down. And on the day when the news was announced, we saw that the price went down immediately by 100-150 pips. So that drop happened and price went below the support level, this orange line. Now from here we have to wait for the confirmation. Now currently the price is below this support level, so it may go further down to 0.64 or even 0.6350 or 0.63. But if it closes above this orange line, which is currently sitting at 0.65, then that's your buy signal, and the price should rise up from here. The RSI on this one is very low. There are chances that the buyers would take advantage of that and enter into a buy trade. But be careful, this is currently sitting in the area where it can go further down to 0.64 or 0.63, and set your stop loss accordingly. But the traders who entered here, according to my signal last couple of weeks, who entered into a sell trade, I was telling them to close their position around 0.65, and they should have made about 200 to 250 pips of profit. So congratulations to them. Now let's move on to USD franc. On this one, we had identified this pattern and we said this is about to complete. I was telling traders to lock their profit around 98.50, and we were also saying that if the price does not go above this level, which is currently the previous support, then the price will go further down with an extension to 97.50 or even 97. So I hope you had locked your profit at 98.50. Now you can extend those all the way down to 0.97 and close your sell trades with the profit of about 150 pips. So I think that was a very profitable trade. Now in this area, we have seen that the price has bounced upward a couple of times. So I'm going to put this here around 0.9725. If you see the price continue to bounce from this area, then there may be a chance that the price will go up from here. Currently the RSI is close to 20, so maybe it go further down to 0.97 and then bounce from there. But we have to wait for the confirmation. Right now, if you had entered into a sell trade, then this is the time to close your trade and take your profit. Now the next one is pound USD. This one we had talked a few times that this pair is quite oversold. We have seen the RSI is continuously staying around 20 or below 20. This is the area we had identified with this rectangle that was the area where the price could go up or down, but I was telling traders to wait for this top of the inverted hammer. If the price go above that, then that's your buy signal, but if it does not reach there, then the price may go down further, and that's exactly what happened here. We have seen several small candles. Price was trying to fluctuate, and then it made a bearish flag here, and then the price went down here on Friday. Now from here, if it goes above this level of this rectangle, then that is your buy signal, but this is the area of resistance. If it comes above this level, then this is your buy trade, and then from here, from this level to all the way to the second orange line, which is currently sitting at 124, you have a chance to make about 150 pips. If the price goes above this area, then you can enter into a buy trade. This would be the area where you can easily make profit, but when the price reaches around this second rectangle here around 124, that's another resistance area where the sellers would come in and push the price downward. So please be careful. This is good trade setup for day traders, but for the long-term traders, they might want to wait. Price may go down below 120, and that would be a better area to enter into a buy trade for long term. Now I have added one more pair here, which is USD NOK. On this one, I noticed that this is a good trade setup for sellers to come in and take advantage of this current price action here. We have seen the price went up all the way with the Fed announcement. We have seen this going up here to almost 4,000 pips, and the RSI was above 80. So this was the good area to enter into a sell trade. Now this is the area between the two orange lines. You see, this is where the price may come back up, but if you see it's making any red candles again or inverted hammers, then that's the area where you want to enter into a sell trade, and our target for that is initially to 61.8% retracement. So this will give approximately 1,000 pips of profit, and then with further extension to 50% that we can talk about in the next week. But for now, your target, if the price goes up here, and you can enter into a sell trade and take advantage of this price action, and this would be a very profitable trade to 61.8% retracement. With that, I'm going to close this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and leave your feedback in the comment section.